See this beautiful fly? You might say, why is it a beautiful fly, Lisa? Because I went to go and get the rest of my fruit shake, and he had landed inside of it, and he couldn't get out. So I know they're really gross, especially for hanging around on poop and eating poop. But I've been watching this little guy. I rescued him out. I rinsed him off like very, very quickly with very, very low water coming from the faucet. Just like a couple of drops just on his back. And then he's been out here now for like 15 minutes cleaning himself. And I just love watching him do this. He actually look at how he grabs his wing. And before he takes off, he's really, really cleaning up. I just think it's so amazing. See? So now I have a fly friend. Yeah, I've always been very interested to watch how bugs clean themselves. It's so cool. Look at him go. I love how he'll actually hold down his wing with one arm, and then the other one like scrapes it along, and then he does that little thing right there. I'm wondering when he's gonna take off. Then he does his face. And he goes back to the back of his legs. And he does his wings. I'm waiting for him to just take off now. I keep telling him he looks good. He's spiffied up real nice. But he's gotta go. Isn't it time now? There he goes again. Yeah, if I go this way, he'll come. Yeah. Go ahead. Do your thing. They actually run away from you. It's so cute. Oh, there we go. Oh, he's on the phone. Bye. Oh my goodness. He left. He did. He left. Oh, how cute. Oh, I know. Maybe there's something wrong with me. I really don't know. I just have like this huge appreciation for all living things, even the ones that eat poop. Yes. Gotta wash my hands.